Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Pool Saltwater Maintenance Kit. What is Natural Chemistry Pool Saltwater Maintenance Kit? The Saltwater Magic Kit is specifically engineered for pools using chlorine generators. This mineral-based system allows your generator to work more efficiently and helps to maintain balanced water chemistry. Contains natural enzymes that reduce organic buildup on pool surfaces, filter media, and generator cells, and reduce phosphate levels to help prevent algae growth. Product benefits: restores the necessary salt and mineral levels required for proper chlorine generator performance. Contains no stain causing water softener additives. Protect pool surfaces from metal staining and prolong the life of the generator. Phosphate remover reduces phosphate, algae food source levels. Usage directions. Step 1. Add kit contents to skimmer once per month. Step 2. Test pH weekly and phosphate levels monthly. Contents: Saltwater Magic, 1 liter. Cell Protect, 1 liter. Dosage: 1 kit per 20,000 gallons of water per month. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.